Until now, all the primary content for the website has been created via the Article Manager. In this and the next lesson, you'll learn how to create pages using components. This lesson demonstrates how to create a contact page, which involves creating a contact category, creating a contact, creating a menu item, and choosing a display format. Components are one of Joomla's 5 types of extensions. You might like to think of these as applications. They often perform complex operations and may include other extension types such as modules and plugins. Joomla comes with a few components, but to get the functionality you need, you'll most likely use some third-party extensions too. The contact component can be used to create a comprehensive directory or a simple single contact page. As there is the ability to create a large list of contacts, Joomla includes categories to help with storage, just like articles. So the first step is to create a category as follows. Step 1, navigate to Components, Contacts, Categories. Step 2, although there is a default uncategorized category, which would be suitable to use, let's create a new one. Click New in the Actions toolbar. Step 3, enter a title. And step 4, click Save and Close. If you do want to use the contacts component to display a lot of contacts, you'll probably want to store contacts by departments or divisions within your organisation. There is a menu item that can display all contacts in a particular category. In this case though, I'm going to keep things very simple. The next step is to create a contact and store it in a contact category. You start at the Contacts page, which can be accessed via the menu at Components, Contacts, Contacts. There's also a shortcut at the left. Joomla lists pages within the same function at the top left, and you might find this handy when switching between similar functions. The process to create a contact is: Step 1, click New. Step 2, enter a name. This can be a person's name, or in this case, the name of the organisation. Step 3, select a category. Step 4, click the Contact Details tab. Step 5, enter as much or as little information as you wish. Step 6, click Save and Close. That's all that needs to be done to enter the data, but I'll return to this item in the last step. The next step is to create a menu item that displays the contact page. The steps for this are: 1. Navigate to Menus, Main Menu, Add New Menu Item. 2. Next to Menu Item Type, click Select. Step 3, click Contacts, Single Contact. Step 4, next to Select Contact, click Select. Step 5, click the appropriate contact. Step 6, enter a title for the menu. Step 7, if appropriate, assign a parent item. In this case, I'll position it under the About menu item. And step 8, click Save and Close. Navigate to the front end and note that a new menu item is now visible. All the data that was entered in the previous step is displayed except the email address. You can enable this if you wish, however it is omitted to prevent robots from harvesting it from the code and sending you spam. The email is necessary for the second part of the page, where a contact form is displayed. When someone submits this form, the contents are sent to the email address that was entered into the contact. This two-part page is clever, but you might not like it, so the contact component includes a few more display options. Let's take a look at these options. Return to the contact item at Components, Contacts, Contacts. Step 2, click the item. Step 3, click the Display Options tab. Step 4, next to Display Format, select Tabs. Step 5, click Save. And Step 6, view the front end. This is a second option where the main content and form are on separate tabs. There's a third option called Plain, which looks like this. This completes the process to create and format a contact page. The steps again are: create a contact category, create a contact, create a menu item, and choose a display format.